and fast mixed denomination discriminator and bill counter with all main features necessary for an easy and quick count. Accurately count, sort, and validate mixed denomination bills, allowing to save time and avoid common human errors. Navigating through the interface of the Domino is simple and easy to learn with its user-friendly control panel. The detailed breakdown of the count can be easily seen on the large LCD screen. Domino's printer compatibility allows the user to print and keep a hard copy of the reports. Innovative counterfeit protection, Kolibri Domino has all main modes and functions to be a perfect fit for the business. For example, it can count a mixed denomination batch of bills at a speed of 1,200 bills per minute, while scanning and sorting out counterfeit bills on the mix mode. Kolibri Domino makes sorting and organizing mixed denomination bill stacks quicker and more efficient. With its sort mode, it goes through mixed denomination bills sorting by the first bill in the stack. Batch function allows to create an equal bill stacks of any quantity and can be enabled with all counting and sorting modes, including the add function. Add function allows counting multiple stacks of bills while keeping the total count of all stacks run through the Kolibri Domino. Add function can be enabled with all counting and sorting modes, including the batch function. Kolibri Domino went ahead of its competitors and is pleased to announce its new and advanced V-sort mode, which helps to sort the bills by each denomination while keeping the tally of the total count. The Kolibri Domino is built for North America and can sort and count not only paper currencies like the US dollar, but also polymer currencies like Canadian dollar and Mexican pesos. Precise and fast mixed denomination discriminator and bill counter with innovative modes and features that can turn a simple counting routine into an interesting and time-saving process. On mix mode, the KBR 1500 counts mixed denomination bills at a speed of 1,200 bills per minute, accurately counting and sorting out counterfeit or non-conform bills. The sorting of the mix and one denomination stacks has never been easier, quicker, and efficient before. With the sort mode, KBR 1500 goes through mixed denomination bills, sorting by the first bill in the stack. The V-sort mode allows sorting the bills by each denomination while keeping the tally of the total count. KBR 1500 sorts bills by whether they are face up or face down. This mode allows to sort bills by their orientation. Batch function allows to create an equal bill stacks of any quantity and can be enabled with all counting and sorting modes, including the add function. Add function allows counting multiple stacks of bills while keeping the total count of all stacks run through the Kolibri KBR 1500. Add function can be enabled with all counting and sorting modes, including the batch function. Navigating through the interface of the KBR 1500 is simple and easy to learn with its user-friendly control panel. The detailed breakdown of the count can be easily seen on the large LCD screen. KBR 1500's printer compatibility allows the user to print and keep a hard copy of the reports. Innovative counterfeit protection and serial number recognition. The Kolibri KBR 1500 is built for North America and can sort and count not only paper currencies like the US dollar,
BR 180 bill counter is the legacy model of a small business bill counter. It offers a classic design and a standard set of counterfeit detection options, ultraviolet and magnetic. It's suited for small to medium-sized businesses, including chains, that count moderate amounts of cash daily. Simply place the banknotes on the feeder, and the machine will start counting banknotes automatically. Make sure to place the banknotes correctly to avoid jams. CR18 also has batch and add functions. Batch function allows you to count out a set number of banknotes at a time. Add function lets you add consecutive batches of banknotes. For best performance, keep the unit covered when not in use and clean it regularly using compressed air.
This is the high-speed electric bill counter with counterfeit detection by Royal Sovereign. Complete with auto self-test to ensure accuracy. To begin counting, simply place and flip the bills into the hopper. This cash counter's hopper holds over 200 bills and counts over 1,000 bills per minute. The external display shows the total amount counted. Front panel displays all options and presets, including ultraviolet, magnetic, and infrared counterfeit detection. Batch mode allows for easy bill banding and transportation.
Best way to get fast, accurate accounting. Count up to 900 bills per minute without the risk of human error. The batch and addition functions help you count quickly, and the half note and chain note detection features keep problematic bills from slowing you down. Count together with the optional secondary display, great for banks, retail business, restaurants, and more. 3 distinct counterfeit detection methods screen your money and alert you to questionable bills. Keep your money counter working like new with the included brush. Time is money, and you can save both with the Logia money counter.